Hi everyone, welcome back in another video. Today in this video we are going to see the options in Node Mailer. So what is Node Mailer? Basically Node Mailer is a way to send emails from servers. Okay, it is a Node package Node.js package, and we used to install that in our project, and we can send with the help of Node Mailer emails, and we can do email marketing also. So we will see. So currently on the screen you can see this is a basic code which can help us to send emails. Okay. Now let's read the code. We have imported the Node Mailer. After that we have created a transport where we have provided the user and the password. User will be a email ID and password will be the whatever the password is there of this email ID. Okay. After that we are sending the email. Now we are creating a function, and this is an async function which accept a array of emails. And now after that we are creating a mail option. Okay, and we are saying that from, after that bcc means to the emails which we want to send, and after that to, and subject and html. These are the basic things which you are seeing on the screen, but there are a lot of options which you can use in your project on marketing the email IDs. Okay, now what you can do await transport dot send mail, and then this command will send emails to the specific email ID which you have provided here. Now next, now I will do control click on mail. Okay, mail, like send mail. Now it has redirect me here. Now we will see what are the options which we can provide. I will click on the options, and you can see here I am redirected here, interface options. Okay, now we will understand what are these and what are not these. Okay, so so basically you can understand what is from. So from accept as a string, and this will be an email address. Okay, after that senders, to whom you want to send. Like you can read the like commands also, like comments also. What is this? After that to means to whom you want to send. After that ccc means you can provide an array of strings. Okay, an array of strings, and this can help multiple emails at the same time. After that we have bcc means this will also do same. Now we can reply to the specific email id. Okay, so reply to, this will also accept an array of email ids, or a single string. Okay, after that in reply to, this will accept as a string. Now what will be this will be a message id. Okay, after that we have reference, and this is saying we need a string message id list, an array is separated by, or a space separated string. Okay, after that subject, you are well aware about what is the subject. Next is text means body, what need to be body. After that html, you are well aware about html. After that watch html, it will accept as a string, and let me, okay, it will accept as a string in form of a buffer. Okay, now amp, what is this? I am not aware. Amp for email specific html version of messaging, so it's something related to html. Okay, after that in call event, so it is something like in calendar event, like some event which is there in emails, calendar. It is somehow like that. After that there is a header, like what header you want. After that list is list header, and an object where key name is converted into a list header. Maybe like authorization kind of, it can be. After that attachment, like if we want to attach any file or anything, we can attach that. After that alternatives, and an array of alternative text content, like if we want to that, if something is wrong with this message, then alternative we can send. After that envelope. Okay, envelope is like smt means sms, we are sending kind of sms. After that message id, it will be in form of string. And date, you can set the date also. It's optional date value means the default value will be the current date. After that encoding, you can encode the text according to your wish. And after that raw, one sec, raw will be in form of a buffer as a string, and you can read it, or you can understand with the help of ChatGPT what is this. After the text encoding means we can make secure. After that disable url access means we cannot provide any url. After that disable file access means no one can access the file. The value will be boolean means true or false. After that dkim dot option, I am not aware about this. After that normal header key. Okay, method is normalize header key for an custom casing. Priority high, normal, low, this can be the priority. After that, attach data URL. It will be in form of a URL. So you can read about this. There are a lot of options, like I think more than 20 to 30. You can learn more about these options. So that's all in this video, guys. I hope you like this and you enjoy. You came to know about what is node mailer and what are the possible options which we can use. Normally we use like if I show you, these four are necessary. This is no need, but from, to, and subject is necessary. So that's all, guys, in this video. Hope you enjoy, and we will catch up you in the next video. Thank you.